Hey guys, welcome to Techno Unboxing. I'm Shazu here back with another video, and today in front of me I have iPhone 7 Plus and an iPhone 6s Plus, and today we'll be trying to do something new with our iPhones. Today we're gonna be checking will the iPhone buttons work with wet fingers. Okay, so let's add our fingerprints. So I'll just go to settings. Add a fingerprint. Now it's completed. So first we'll check does the iPhone unlock with our fingerprint. And yeah, it does. It's working. So I'll try again. Yep, it's working. And now I've got the water. And now I will wet my thumbs. And yeah, let's check. I think it's not working. And the both phones are not working. And I'm trying to unlock it with my wet thumbs. And as you can see the water on the home buttons. So let me wipe it off. So let's see, are they working? Yep, they are working. We got the new home button in iPhone 7 Plus and it doesn't click anymore. And as you can see the fingerprint scanners are working after cleaning the home buttons. So now I'll go to the settings and I'll try to add my thumbs again to see is the fingerprint scanner scanning my thumbs. And yep, it does. As you can see here, it's adding my thumbs. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up down below. Peace.